Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the parental controls if you do not have the passcode to restore the default values. Now, this is very easy to do. If I press the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu, I want to go on over to power and then completely turn off my PlayStation. Now, when the light is completely turned off, hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then about 15 seconds later, you will hear another beep indicating your PS5 is launching into the safe mode menu. Then go to your controller and press the PlayStation button. Then you can operate the safe mode menu with the D-pad and select with F. Now let's go on down to option number 5, restore default settings. This will reset your parental controls on your PlayStation 5 and will remove that passcode. You will also have to log back in with your email address and password on your PlayStation account. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.